See, yeah, the fucking phone fucking run out of battery. But you can't accept it. You can't accept reality. Just because the Norse like to fucking pretend that God is a entitlement complex that they're all entitled to become, doesn't mean it's reality. Because, entitlement complexes don't know fucking how to share. They think they're entitled to every fucking thing, and that's not the nature of life. Life makes a fucking place for everything equally. No animal, despite fucking, Odin's entitled fucking, pretending there's this mythical food chain in existence, where in reality, no animal takes more than what they need, so fucking every single one of them are on fucking par as to where they are in their mythical food chain. And the reality fucking is their mythical food chain is all centered around which fucking animals people fucking chose as their sigil when they were raping, pillaging and burning life and fucking pretending like it made them better than everything else. Like a lion or a tiger. And this is the reality of your little mythical food chain fucking where you think that these animals are more successful just because you worship them. And the reality fucking of their nature is not a single fucking animal in existence actually fucking takes more than what they need. None of them fucking have an impact on the balance of life to the degree where they cause a natural disaster. No animal fucking does, because they don't take more than what they need. Every animal takes fucking what they need and what they need only. The only fucking animal in existence that takes more than what they fucking need for an ego stroke is a human. So what's the reality of this mythical food chain? Nature, humanity. Intelligent fucking people that around the fucking time of fucking, Christianity and fucking all that malarkey, the rise of Christianity, intelligent fucking people, see, the fearful, yeah, they'd have fucking bowed to the fucking will of Odin, no fucking problem. Intelligent fucking people, though, would have gone, well, you're not going to fucking listen, and anyone fucking like this is capable of fucking seeing right through you, so we're not fucking bothered. So, all this poisonous shit that fucking from the Norse pantheon, so to speak, that's in the religion, the one god religions and all that malarkey, anything intelligent wouldn't have been bothered about them fucking poisoning their religion with their wannabe shite, because we're intelligent enough to figure it out. The fearful fucking on the other fucking hand, well, you're not going to listen to us, so fucking there's no fucking point in us fucking pretending fucking like it's not true. And when truth comes to fucking light because these fucking people are incapable of backing up their mouth because they're full of shit, you're going to be angry and upset fucking, but you wouldn't listen to us, so it's not like we were able to fucking help you. You were fucking too busy fucking listening to them, so we're not going to feel fucking guilty about fucking that, because it's not our fault that you chose to listen to them instead of us. We also fucking knew, because, we have faith in the actual workings of life. We also knew that when the fucking truth fucking came to life and fucking Odin couldn't back up his mouth, that you'd all be pissed off about it. We know how a survival instinct also fucking works. We knew you'd just be ticking time bombs fucking, waiting to fucking explode and stamp on his face. So, while he fucking preaches that he won his fucking war and enslaved the gods and all that malarkey and they're beneath him, while Valhalla's at the top of the fucking tree, reality fucking is, you got played. And we didn't even have to fucking rely on deceit because you were too fucking busy fucking trying to, well, Erase everything from existence. We didn't need to rely on deceit. It's your own fault. You tried to label us as crazy so no one would listen to us. We just made the best of what we had. Because that's the nature of God. It doesn't need to lie. It doesn't need to lie. It can back up its mouth. It doesn't need to fear a lie either, because it can back up its mouth. It can create a lie. This is true. Does it need to depend on it, though? No. Oh, here we go. I got the fucking judgmental fuckers on the fucking mission again, because I've said before that how do you create free will when you live on a fucking plane that knows everything? You lie to them. But the lie can't back up its mouth. The truth fucking can. The lie can only rely on other fucking lies to pretend to be the truth. The truth can always back up its fucking mouth no matter fucking what fucking happens. But you need to rely on the lie to create free will. No, you don't. From your perspective, that's true. But it's not the truth. Because those of us that would fucking naturally fucking choose to, you know, respect fucking life wouldn't need the lie. Because we'd do it anyway. So from your perspective, yes. You need those lies. From our perspective, they're meaningless. Because it doesn't matter fucking whether we live in a world without free will or whether we live in a world with free will, we'd always make the same choice. You need us more than we need you. And your lack of gratitude for it is exactly fucking why you're going to become the victim of your own wish. Yes, of course. The selfish thing it's a selfish fucking thing to put you in your fucking place. It's not fucking like anything faithful fucking to life. It's thinking about multiple different lives. They're only thinking about themselves. How selfish of fucking you to fucking not fucking consider the fucking needs of the brats of fucking Odin over all other life. How dare you? You selfish, vindictive fuck. Don't worship the goddess of nature, she's evil. See? You're a spoiled little brat is what you are. Constantly whining because you can't become a god. Even though fucking, you know, all the information you ever needed to become one was given to you, you were just too arrogant to accept it. But we knew that would happen too. You fucking think we're fucking interested in saving your ass? Why the fuck would we do that? Our methods work. Yours don't. That's cruel of you. How could you say that? Because it's the truth. What, you think fucking, the spiritual fucking plane would be frightened to fucking back up its mouth on free will? Well, you made the fucking choice. You the fucking one that chose to fucking be better than everything else. You're the fucking one that fucking chose to be an arrogant sack of shit. Nothing is born that way. Arrogance is a choice, just like humility. It's not something fucking that's, well, it's not something that's fucking, that's, you know, a child is a child. A child just does, you know, it just follows its heart. It doesn't do it because it thinks it's better than everything else. Doesn't do it because it thinks it's beneath everything else. Just does it because it comes natural. As it grows up, it chooses to fucking become arrogant or humble. Nature, fucking well. To a degree, humility is the only fucking natural course of things, because everything fucking, nothing thinks about whether it's better than anything else, just follows its heart. Humility is the natural thing. Arrogance is a choice. As you get older and start fucking thinking in different ways from a human perspective, humility also becomes a choice. Do you want to continue to be natural? Or do you want to be an arrogant sack of shit? The moment you fucking make a choice to become an arrogant sack of shit, there's no hope for you. Why? Because everything you fucking do will always be in your best interests. Like I said, you cannot fucking tell on surface appearance which one is which. Not fucking unless you're fucking willing to fucking go through hell and fucking back again to fucking see fucking which one's telling the truth. But, you know, humility will always be able to fucking prove itself true, whereas arrogance never will, because arrogance is just a lying sack of shit. So how do you know the fucking difference between the fucking brainwashed and those that genuinely fucking believe they're destined to go to Valhalla? Do you have a conscience? Then you have hope. Oh, well, anything can fucking develop a conscience. An arrogant fucker will only ever fucking, you know, develop a entitlement for vengeance. Like, it's my destiny now to go out and fucking commit genocide on all my enemies. If you're capable of developing a conscience, you're actually humble. And everything you fucking did that you see as a mistake was just expectations, not because you believed in it. Your motivation for it was to make your parents happy, or your friends happy, or your family in general happy, or the world. Your motivations were expectations, not belief. Brats of Odin, on the other fucking hand, are completely fucked because they genuinely fucking believe they're destined to go to Valhalla. We're better than gods. And anything you fucking do to put them in their place will just fucking result in them throwing another tantrum. Like flying a plane into a fucking building full of civilians. Vengeance is the only fucking thing that they'll develop fucking every single fucking time they're proven wrong, not a conscience. And the difference between justice and vengeance? Justice only goes after the criminal, not the family. Just because my fucking vengeance fucking likes to go fucking, tries to manipulate fucking things. Well, a son for a son, that's vengeance. You committed the crime, you deal with it. That's what justice says. I know the temptation's there. The temptation has always been there to elevate people fucking like me to some fucking kind of rank of divinity, because that's what Odin would expect of you. Where we've got to fucking be better than you and go to Valhalla or fucking, you know, fucking one of these mythical fucking realms of existence that Odin likes to pretend exists so that fucking, you know, you don't actually, well, accept reality. Say, I'm not on anyone's side. I'm Treebeard in Lord of the Rings. I'm on no one's side because nobody's on my side. No one cares for the woods anymore. I'm on no one's side. And I'm on everyone's side, other than Odin's, because he's not natural. But he made that choice of his own free will. And as the laws of fucking life are all centered around respect for life, we respect that. So we won't save him because that's his choice. Say, and out of respect for our own beliefs, we won't fucking save him when he begs for fucking mercy because, well, the nature of a god is to accept responsibility for its belief systems. And since you're not an aspect of ours, we don't owe you fuck all. You're not part of our realm, so we will not help you. But we will also fucking not, well, destroy you either. You'll do that yourself. We're just not going to save you from it. Like I said, your definition of a god and my definition of a god aren't the same thing, but my definition works, yours doesn't. Well, you'd achieved it by now. You are the best of humanity, are you not? The brats of Odin, forever fucking incapable of being responsible. Forever wishing to be better than a god. But your definition of a god is fucking something that's in charge of absolutely fucking everything. And not a family working together to maintain its creation. That's my definition of a fucking god, because as life has fucking proven, when you fucking try to carry the weight of the world on your fucking shoulders, you never succeed. So why would the fucking heavens be any different? It is ultimate knowledge and ultimate power, is it not? Well, if the brats of Odin were fucking destined to succeed to be the fucking, for being the best of humanity, they wouldn't be so prone to fucking up all the time, would they? Because, you know, ultimate power, ultimate knowledge, blah, 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 blah. You know, nothing fucking that knows everything would be prone to making so many mistakes. And yet all of us who just follow our fucking heart always fucking tend to fucking end up fucking with the desired effect, so to speak. I'm not fucking saying fucking that aren't, in some fucking cases there aren't disappointments. But that's all fucking down to you not actually following your fucking heart, fucking for anything fucking other than giving in to the fucking expectations of those you love. That's why it always tends to come out with mixed fucking consequences. But for those of us that just follow our heart, regardless of fucking whether our families agree with it or not, we always fucking end up fucking living everything we can live with. So I would always fucking saying to you, follow your heart and you'll never have to live with regret. Because it's the truth. Your dependency on Odin's false hope is what's destroying you. Have a little bit more faith in yourself, and then you won't have to fucking live with a machine. When you have faith in yourself, you're able to fucking actually have faith in others, because you'll be able to fucking see the problems before they arise, like I can. I have complete fucking faith in my, well, gifts/curses. Because they can be a fucking curse, being so fucking, you know, it can be a curse. That's why fucking genius and madness walk hand in hand, because, you know, we have to fucking be the outcast, while all the fucking people fucking that are brainwashed by the stupidity of fucking Odin. Well, we have to fucking wait for all the fucking you to fucking actually get the point. So genius and madness walk hand in hand, because we end up being persecuted, labelled as crazy, treated like shit. So in the long run, they can be gifts. In the short fucking term, they can be curses. Don't fucking try and fucking pretend fucking you are a little bastard that you know how, well, life works, because you don't. brats of Odin. Oh, well, you know, you're putting yourself down by fucking calling your gifts a curse. They are a curse. Curses in the short term because the amount of abuse we're going to have to fucking actually endure to, you know, prove you wrong. Gifts in the fucking long term because, you know, there'll be better fucking consequences to our fucking methods than there will be to yours. Every gift is a curse, because that's how balance works. It's not all positive and all negative. It's an even amount of both to maintain humility. But I wouldn't expect a Brat of Odin to understand that. And I don't expect a Brat of Odin to understand that. But I do fucking have faith in all those that have been misled into giving into expectations to understand that, because I know you're actually capable of it, because you're not stupid. That's why you're processing it, and while fucking the Brats of Odin are just trying to fly planes into fucking buildings. Or running around fucking thinking that fucking they're entitled to preach what they can't practice. So they can save themselves. Nothing wants to save you, Odin. You made your choice. We respect fucking free will fucking enough to fucking let you live with it. We respect our choices as much as we respect yours. That's why we're letting you live with it. No. Ultimate knowledge doesn't fucking fear backing up its fucking mouth because it knows everything. It knows full fucking well. It doesn't matter how much bullshit Odin prattles. It'll always be able to correct its mistakes. It's not going to fucking correct its fucking mistakes and relieve it of the fucking consequences of its own stupidity. It's going to let it become the fucking victim of its own wish and then heal afterwards. Because it knows it can. If the things you fucking love mean that much to you, then fight for them. Doesn't matter how you choose to fight for them. Just follow your heart. You'll always fucking make the choice you can live with. So if you're a pacifist like me by nature, then you're not gonna fucking jump on board the agenda fucking trains of, well, attempted genocide. If you're a fucking Brat of Odin, you will jump on the agenda fucking trains of attempted genocide. If you're a fucking defensive fucking person, like I also am, I prefer fucking not to resort to violence because I am a pacifist. But I'm also not above punching someone that tries to rape me. I'd rather not have to do it. But I will if you leave me no other choice. So, don't fucking let the bully brats fucking well, trying to go down in fucking history. The only fucking history they're gonna fucking make for themselves is fucking why, well, everybody that's left after they're fucking done destroying themselves are gonna go, that's why you don't do that. Like I said, come fucking Judgment Day, when humanity has fucking lived the consequences of its own stupidity, there's gonna be lots of ruins all across the fucking world that will, for generations, will be, well, not out of sight and out of fucking mind. For generations, fucking people will be going, this is the consequences of fucking thinking yourself better than all other life. And they'll be intelligent enough because of fucking people like fucking me actually, well, reassuring everybody with, well, truth. To be able to teach their fucking kids reality and put it into perspective as to fucking what happened to that world. If you want to fucking continue, because I got all these little opinions invading my mind right now with, say, oh, you say invading, how cruel. It's not fucking cruel, it's the truth. It doesn't fucking mean that I'm fucking trying to reject you. It is the fucking truth, because if, well, they're both not welcome and welcome at the same time. Welcome because I'm fucking willing to reinsure you. Not fucking welcome because I don't fucking like the fucking fact that you want to fucking, you know, cling so badly. You know, because that fucking means you're risking becoming dependent, and that's completely against the point. Codependency doesn't mean you lose faith in yourself. Dependency does. Codependency means know your fucking worth and know the fucking worth of others. That's why this independent fucking world of Odin, where you're the best of humanity, doesn't work, because the true nature of love is codependency. Knowing your worth and knowing the worth of others. Loving them for it, while also respecting yourself. Because like it or not, nothing in fucking life can do everything on its own. Independency doesn't work. Codependency does. You may not like it because, you know, it means that the brats of Odin are fucking proven fucking inferior to all others after all. Why do you fucking think this fucking world is becoming more and more devoid of love? So insistent on becoming independent, you see anything natural as a weakness or an insult. Like I said, every single fucking insult is centered around the natural fucking world. Oh, you Neanderthal. You CUNT. Fucker. Piss off. Bitch. Twat. You got to be independent. Not codependent. Codependent is not healthy. It's not healthy. That's why fucking love is disappearing from the fucking world, because it's not healthy. No, it's not, because, if one dies, that means the other's fucked. So you begrudge the nature of a lovebird, then? When its mate fucking dies, the other one gives up living so it can join its mate. Yeah, it's considered a symbol. It's an abomination, it is. So says the former brats of Odin that fucking thought that fucking, oh, well, we could do better than Odin. None of you can fucking do better than Odin, because you're all just like Odin. Thick as shit, entitled fucking brats that constantly fuck up. Cause more problems than you'll ever be able to solve. And every single time a problem of yours gets solved, it's never by you. Oh, you'd always try to take credit for it. But that's why it never gets maintained, because you never solved it. Everything else did. So what was this fucking shit that we would have invaded your mind over? No, what's so fucking wrong about remembering you? Because you'll be repeating the same mistakes of the fucking past. Do you remember the fucking names of all the oracles that predicted all these prophecies? No? Good. What do you remember? An oracle predicted the prophecy. It was an oracle. A goddess. There you go, you remembered. The name doesn't matter. The nature is all that matters. Children of nature. There you go, you remember us all. Without fucking actually giving any one of us credit. It's the nature of the grand design. We all play our part. Only the brats of Odin fucking need to go down in history and fucking pretend fucking like they're the sole, caretaker of life. And the reality is, none of them are actually the caretakers of fucking life, because they're all full of shit. Because all they're fucking thinking of fucking about is being immortal. We're already immortal, we don't care. We'll be on fucking spiritual plane sharing fucking every fucking aspect of our existence. Say, why would we need to remember it in fucking life when we can just fucking put it down the fucking way it is? We are immortal. We are all responsible for creating life. We are all part of fucking nature. We are all contributing fucking to it. And we all fucking remember when we go back to the fucking spiritual plane, because we all helped create it. So we all remember the parts we fucking play together. All of us fucking, that's why you fucking see positive and negative spirits every fucking where, none of them interfering with each other, because we all acknowledge the part we fucking play in the grand design. We share what we need to share. Each responsible for our own part. Every single fucking one of us fucking sharing that dream of life that works. And we're all dedicated to it. So none of us fucking need to fucking worry about fucking whether or not we get forgotten, because we all remember. None of us try to take credit for it, because we're all responsible. You know, so it's fine. You know, the only things you need to let go is the individual shit. Because that's not how love works. Like I said, codependency. That's how it works. So labels fucking like daughters of nature. You know? The only fucking reason remembering names of people fucking like me means anything fucking to you is because Odin exists. Or rather, the memory of Odin exists, where, you know, Hitler tried to fucking conquer the fucking world and failed, but you're frightened that they'll fucking try it fucking again, so you fucking try to cling to fucking people fucking like fucking me because we make sense. It's not going to last for fucking ever, because life is changing, that which doesn't change dies, and the brats of Odin are never capable of a change because they think they're better than everything else. Whereas all of us that are fucking actually faithful fucking to life tend to fucking go between positive and negative fucking aspects. They are just a permanent fucking negativity. Because everything they fucking do is always solely for themselves. As a result, it only has negative consequences. Balance doesn't work that way. Well, doesn't matter which way you want to fucking look at it, you shallow-minded fool. It'll have negative aspects for fucking everybody that believes in you, but it'll have negative aspects for yourself. That's why you got Loki to blame. Loki made you do it. Negativity is all that fucking comes from your fucking belief systems for both yourself and everything else. Whereas fucking ours, we always bounce between the two because we're balanced. That's how life works. It's an equal amount of both. And when you're open to fucking both, you're open to fucking both positive and negative consequences. As a fucking result, you've got more fucking hope of survival than just limiting your fucking self to the stupidity of Odin. Being selfish is only a bad thing when you're arrogant. When you're humble, being selfish is equal amounts of both. Because there's no such thing in a balanced fucking existence anyway. There's no such thing as selfless or selfish. There's just selfless selfishness and selfish selflessness. In the delusional existence of Odin, there's selfish and selfless. There's no such thing. You're either selfish selflessness or selfish selflessness. Now, which one fucking comes first, depending on your motivations. Are you motivated by wanting to look good? Or are you motivated by, well, wanting others to be happy? Do you say no to your child because you want your child to suffer? Or do you say no to your child because you fucking want your child to be responsible? Give them hope. Be able to survive fucking when you're not long gone. Because if you're motivated fucking by wanting the best for your child, then you're saying fucking no for their best interests. Selfless selfishness. If you're saying no because you're just a twat and fucking you want to be fucking, you know, better than everything else, then you're selfish selflessness. You're motivated by yourself, not others, but it still has the same appearance on the fucking surface. You seem fucking like you're doing things in their best interest, but it's not fucking true. You're actually motivated by your own ego. Like I said, the people that have hope are the fucking ones that are giving in to expectations. You're capable of developing a conscience. You may be brainwashed, but you're capable of developing a conscience. You still have hope. Those that truly believe in it are already lost. And nothing is going to try to save them. Well, nothing that's destined to fucking actually back up its mouth anyway. I'm a daughter of nature. I am both mortal and immortal. On this plane, I am mortal, but I am an aspect of life, so I am also immortal on the spiritual plane. Reality is a bitch when you're a brat of Odin. Reality is only a fucking bitch in the short term to those that have hope.